When your fine tuners are not turning the way it should be, it's either don't have any more room to twist in one way, or needs a little lubricant, or broken. Check your fine tuners and see if the fine tuner is all the way in and you cannot turn clockwise anymore, or your fine tuner is too loose and cannot turn counterclockwise anymore. If that's the case, you need to turn the pegs to make it work again. Have the tuner ready beside you. Start with twisting the fine tuner all the way down, counterclockwise, for later adjustment. The order of the pegs are from the top right A and E, and the left side D and G. Strings are wound in the opposite direction to the scroll. Locate the peg of the string that you need to adjust. Pegs are just a piece of wood shaped slightly narrower towards the neck. First, we loosen the peg by pulling the peg out of the neck and twisting downward. Keep holding the peg. A half an inch of the movement can be enough to lower the string. Now pluck the string and make sure the string is loosened with lower pitch. We are going to tighten the string again. Twist the peg upward and push it in towards the neck as you pluck. Do this very, very gradually and carefully. If you do too much, the string might break. Get closer as much as possible to the pitch, in this case D. And just stop just below D. And make sure the peg is not slipping. If slipping, just do this process again and push a little harder that time. Now you can start using the fine tuner to do the small adjustment and tune the string as you normally do. If your fine tuner is not moving without these issues, it might need a little lubricant. This is a lubricant for things like bike change. You can drop onto the fine tuner. Put some paper towels or anything cover under and avoid any drop so that your varnish of the instrument is protected. If nothing of these work, it's probably broken and you need to replace it. I hope this helps you to get your fine tuners working again.